Welcome viewers, you're watching Bots based on true story, where we bring you stories that matters as they happen. As the world continues to move at a rapid pace, we remain your trusted source for in-depth analysis and breaking updates. Let's dive in today's lead. BJP MP Baijan Panda calls PM Modi world's most popular leader. BJP MP Baijan Jai Panda on Saturday said, PM Narendra Modi is the most powerful leader in the world. He appointed BJP win in West Bengal, Assam and Puducherry as a proof of people's trust in Modi. He also said 80 cities in Northeast helped the party win there. BJP won 102 seats in Assam and 207 in Bengal. UP to build two big highways connecting Nepal border to Varanasi. Uttar Pradesh government is starting work on two big north-south highway corridors. These roads will connect Nepal borders to Varanasi and Prayagraj, passing through about 12 districts of eastern UP. The Varanasi corridor will be 220 km long. The tender works already has begun and the land is being arranged. PWD, NHAI and the road ministry will build this together. TVK Vijay short of majority, letter of woe, AMMK erupts. Tamil Nadu election results are out. Actor turned politician. Vijay's party TVK won 108 seats, needed 118 to form the government. A letter from AMMK MLAs Khamraj supporting TVK went viral. AMMK chief Dhankaran called it fake and said Khamraj actually backs ADAMK's Edappi Palaniswamy for CM. TVK denied this, shared a video of Khamraj writing the letter willingly. CPIM and Congress have already backed TVK. China export to US rise sharply despite Trump's heavy tariffs. Despite Donald Trump's tariffs on China goods, China export jumped 14.1% in April, far higher than expected 8.4%. Exports out to the US alone rose 11.3%, reaching $36.8 billion. China electronics, electric vehicles and machinery kept the trade market strong. All eyes are on the upcoming Trump and Jinping meeting. Both sides are expected to talk about trade and tariffs. US to hold Israel-Lebanon peace talks on Monday, May 14. The United States Department announced that the next round of talks between Israel and Lebanon will held on May 14 and 15, with America leading the discussion. The talks will aim to work out on peace deal, fix border issues, address the Holocaust problem in Lebanon. US Secretary State of Rubio said peace is possible, but Chobal remains in main hurdle. A ceasefire between two sides is currently in place. India reforms peaceful Indian Ocean commitments at 10th IOD meeting. India hosts 10th Ocean Dialogues in New Delhi on May 7 to 8, where it reaffirmed its goal keeping Indian Ocean region peaceful and safe under its Mahasagar vision, which focus on security and growth for all the countries in the region. India currently leads the Indian Ocean Rim Association as its chair for 2025 to 2027. The leader of Mauritius and Yemen also attended the discussion. Trade, maritime safety and regional corporations were the things that were discussed. Gold prices went up across May 9th on India. Both 24 karat and 22 karat golds are becoming more expensive in cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. Kerala saw one of the sharpest rise. Experts say global uncertainty, wedding season demand and investment buyers are the main reason behind the rising prices. Silver rates stayed mostly steady across the major cities. Coinbase crashed this week due to Amazon server overheating issue. Coinbase, one of the biggest crypto trading platforms, crashed this week, stopping users from trading and taking out their money. CEO Brian Armstrong said the problem was caused by overheating inside the Amazon Web Services data centers. The Armstrong said it would never acceptable and apologized to the users. The outrage came at a very bad time when crypto markets were very active. Rajasthan Royals take on Gujarat Titans in Jaipur today. Vaibhav Suryawanshi's Rajasthan Royals will face Gujarat Titans at Savai Mansingh Stadium in Jaipur on Saturday for IPL 2026. Both teams are fighting to move up in the points table. The match will be streamed on live online and television. Indian American golfer Bhatia nears top 10 Tourist Championship. Indian American golfer Akshay Bhatia puts a strong performance on Tourist Championship and Charlotte, USA, moving closer to the top 10 finish. Meanwhile, the golf star Roy McIlroy will also play in the second round and chasing the leaders. Both players are more strong and contempt as the tournament continues. Sanju Samsung may challenge Shreya Iyer for Indian T20 captaincy. Surya Kumar Yadav's time. As India's T20 captain appears to become strong to the end, reporter suggests Shreya Iyer is a strong candidate to take over. But Sanju Samson is also being considered as a serious challenger for the captaincy. New details will out in the upcoming days.